Video Crusher review, demo, and $2,195 bonus. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from Art of Marketing blog, and this is my Video Crusher review. Now this is an amazing must-have new software that will do a bunch of different things for you, but in a nutshell it will just generate buyers traffic. Okay, so first of all, you can do keyword research with it. It will create videos for you in seconds, then it will upload these videos to multiple channels, then it will share these videos all over the internet, which means that you're gonna get traffic to the videos, and also you'll create backlinks, and in the end it just generates traffic. You can send it wherever you want, so to affiliate products, to your own products, to your own services, to an e-com store, wherever you want. So I'm going to do a review, as always, a little demo. We're gonna go through all of the upsells, and I have a massive $2,195 custom exclusive bonus. Okay, so let me share my screen and let's jump into it. And even before showing you the sales page, let's just go to Fiverr and let's see how much people are charging for video creation. Okay, so if you're going to do nothing else but use this software to sell videos to people on Fiverr or anywhere else, you can make $35 or $50 per video, obviously depending on what the video is about or how long is it. This guy is selling video editing and creation gig for $35. You got $10 here, that's probably per second. You have again $40 here. You have again $50 right here. So people are actually selling these gigs, and this is super newbie friendly, so you don't have to even create these videos for yourself. You can do this for other people and make some cool easy money. Okay, so that's what you can do on Fiverr, and let's jump into the sales page right now. As you can see, it says Video Crusher, attention struggling affiliates, online marketers, and newbies. Incredible new video software gets you unlimited buyers in 45 seconds or less. You're just one click away from the lifestyle of your dreams. Now it says unlimited buyers. Obviously it will generate traffic for you. Not all of it are buyers, so some people will buy, some not, but it will essentially generate traffic. Okay, so you're gonna get unlimited traffic in 45 seconds or less, one click away. Profit big with video using our automated app, quickly scale it up, newbie friendly, agency license worth $497 included for free. That's a big one, which means that you can actually use this software to sell gigs on Fiverr or somewhere else. 365 days money back guarantee, so not 30 days, a full year. Get results or get paid $500, so an additional guarantee. Instant ROI bonus included. So let me talk a little bit about video. So if you're not using video, you are missing out. Everyone else trying to sell anything online and make money online is using video. So if you are not using video, you are putting yourself at a disadvantage. So many people just don't want to film themselves, or they are not comfortable with doing voiceovers, and that's where Video Crusher or similar tools like this come into play, because you can create videos literally in seconds. So you don't need a significant time investment. You don't have to film yourself, you don't have to record your voice. These videos are done for you. Okay, so let's just scroll down. It's 2 steps. They got some proof, obviously. Billy, David, and Justin, these are the 3 guys behind this product, Video Crusher. Again, this is the name of this product. Some more proof. Scrolling down here, you can go through all of this in your own time. Some testimonials, including one from myself. They got 8 bonuses, and you're gonna get my bonuses on top of these ones. 365-day money back guarantee. Yeah, that's essentially it. You can go through all of this in your own time, but right now let me show you the members area. Okay, so first of all, you're getting video training included with this. Now the software is super easy to use, so there's not much more to it than just going through free videos. Okay, so you have the big picture overview. So as you can see, you get the Video Crusher software, the one-click video creation. You're going to be uploading these videos to the sites, then syndicating these videos to social sites, which means more traffic, and backlinks, which just gives your videos more authority, and then buyers from all the traffic that you are getting. So then video 2, accessing the software, video 3, finding offers and running your first campaign. So again, free videos, you can go through all of these in under an hour. And then the inside of the members area looks like this. So first of all, we have the dashboard. You can access your campaigns, your videos, your links. Then we have the keyword research tool. So it's not the best keyword research tool out there, but it's very, very useful because you don't have to actually log out and log in somewhere else. And just to show you how this works, if we're going to type in make money online and we'll click search, as you can see, we have the total results 23 million and competition is hard. So right now we know we want to stay away from this keyword, but if we will go after something like make money online with no investment in 2020, we will click on search again. As you can see, total results 0, competition is easy, so we can go after a keyword like this. Okay, so again, there are probably better keywords tools out there, but this is just another component of the Video Crusher software that makes it easier to use, and you can do the keyword research from right here. Okay, then we have campaigns. So obviously we have my campaigns where you can all access your older campaigns. Then new campaign, all you have to do with a new campaign is add a name, title, description, and this will be obviously transferred to YouTube or wherever you upload your videos. Then the keywords and tags. Now you can upload the video file if you already have it, or you can just click right here where it says create video, and the video will be automatically created for you. Now I don't have my accounts hooked up right here, so I can't really show you a full demo, but there's not much more to it than what I just showed you. You just enter all of these, you click on create video, and the video will be created for you. Now you're gonna have to hook up your video sharing accounts, Dailymotion and YouTube. So obviously YouTube is the #1 thing, but just by having your video on Dailymotion, again, you're getting more exposure, and you're getting a backlink back to your original YouTube video, which is huge. And all of this is automated. Okay, so once you're gonna click on the campaign, the video will be automatically uploaded for you both to Dailymotion and YouTube. Then we have the social sharing. So obviously you want to get eyeballs on your videos and get the backlinks, so this is all automated for you as well. We get Blogger, Twitter, Tumblr, LinkedIn, Reddit, I Am Gur, Plurk, LiveJournal, Instapaper, and Write. So Web 2.0 properties and all of the backlinks from these social sharing sites will be of high quality, and these are great backlinks to have to your videos. Now what you can do is you can actually access JVZoo top sellers from within the software, so you don't even have to go to JVZoo and log in, log out, etc. You can access the top 10 products from JVZoo right now right here. So obviously this will be updated every single day. You can just click on affiliate details and get your link. Then obviously in my profile you're gonna have to hook up all of your accounts, and then clicking on training, we're gonna go back to what I already showed you right here, so the free videos when it comes to video training. So again, super easy to work with piece of software. Again, all you have to do is just watch these free videos, and there's not much more to it than what I just showed you. You can create a campaign literally in seconds, so you can do the keyword research, create your campaign, find a product to promote from within the software, upload it to both Dailymotion and YouTube, then get all the backlinks and get all the benefits of social sharing from within the software, and get that buyer's traffic immediately to your videos. And obviously you can create videos about anything, so this works in any niche. This works with any kind of an online model. So again, affiliate marketing, your own products, your own services, even sending traffic to your blog if you need traffic. Okay, so this is the inside of the members area, and let's go through all of the upsells right now. Okay, so the main product will be $22. Now they will have an early bird, and keep in mind, after the initial launch period, the price will be going up to $27. Audio #1 is $67. Now I'm just going to show you the pricing right now, and then on my blog I have the full breakdown. Okay, so offer #1 $67, then upsell #2 $47, upsell #3 $47 as well, upsell #4 $47 as well, And the last one, upsell number 5, $197. And you know, before I'm going to show you my bonuses, let me show you exactly what this is. So I have a full written review and breakdown on my blog, so you can go through all of this in your own time as well. So again, Video Crusher OTO number 1, that's unlimited edition for $67. And you're unlocking unlimited campaigns. You can create unlimited videos, and you also get additional features and video training. Video Crusher OTO number 2, AI edition for $47. You are unlocking additional features such as additional accounts and scheduling ability for automated campaigns. Video Crusher OTO number 3, 5K daily edition for $47. Now you'll discover how to potentially scale up your Video Crusher earnings to $5,000 per day by leveraging more traffic and additional strategies. Video Crusher OTO number 4, reseller edition for $47. Essentially, you can sell this product as your own, keep 100% of the profits on both the main product and all of the upsells, and you can even upload your own logo to make it look like it's your own product, and it's only $47. Now, people normally charge like $97 to $197 for something like this. You can get it for just $47, which is a crazy low price. And then OTO number 5, we got Video Crusher Luxury Edition for $197, which is a individual custom funnel setup. So this is not a done for you package. This is something that these guys will actually do for you inside your account. So they will log into your accounts and they will set up you know, your hosting, your accounts, your email list with an autoresponder, with a squeeze page setup, follow-up emails. So all of this will be done for you inside your account. So a physical person will actually log into your accounts and do all of this for you. So this is a done for you pack, but taken to a whole new level. Okay, so these are the OTOs. This is what you can expect after picking up Video Crusher when it goes live. And let me show you all of my bonuses, and let me just tell you that Video Crusher goes live at 11 a.m. Eastern on September 5th. Okay, so if you'll decide to pick it up from my link, you're gonna get all of these bonuses, and these are all custom and exclusive. Okay, so firstly, you're gonna get my own course called Buyers List Ninja. Now you're gonna get this nowhere else but from myself. It is not available for sale any longer, and you know, this, you can get it essentially just as a bonus to Video Crusher. So I'm not selling it. You can get it anywhere else, and this is my own perfect bonus to Video Crusher because it's everything you need to know about creating a buyers list. Okay, now that's only the first bonus. I have plenty more to come. Blaze, that's my own W's of the Day course. Everything about generating affiliate commissions with free traffic. Then I have some software bonuses for you. So software number 1, push button traffic 3.0. Then we have software number 2, Auto Affiliate Machine 2.0. Software number 3, Viral Commission Machine. Software number 4, Super Affiliate Class. Now we have some W's of the Day awarded courses for you. So $100 daily, 3-minute commissions, 171 per day, copy profit case study, the fastest way to $169, the Tube Commission Loophole, Flip Me, my top selling course when it comes to copy and paste profits from flipping online, Tube Traffic Avalanche, my own case study on free traffic, and then you're gonna get all of these additional software and plugins. Okay, so we have the Affiliate Advantage plugin, Giant Plugin Biz, Sales Page Writing Software, Squeeze Page Creator, TrueText, iAsk, PubBox, Sales Bar, and the shortcode CTA, Call to Action. And on top of this, so that's a total of 26 bonuses. And on top of all this, you're getting my mega bonus, and my mega bonus is 45 plus W's of the Day and Product of the Day awarded courses. So let me show you all of these right now, and you can check it all out in your own time right here on my blog. So you're getting, again, 45 W's of the Day and Product of the Day awarded courses, and that's on top of the 26 bonuses that I already showed you. Okay, so again, you can go to artofmarketingblog.com/mega bonus, check it all out, but essentially that's a total of $2,195 now, and that's my just bonus for showing my appreciation to you, just as a thank you for picking up VidCrusher through my link. And again, VidCrusher will be going live at 11 a.m. Eastern on September 5th. Make sure to grab it from my link to get all of these bonuses. If you have any questions, you can always leave me a comment on my blog or on the YouTube video that you are watching. Please give it a like on YouTube, I really appreciate it. And I will be seeing you very shortly in the members area and in my next review video. Ciao!